Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Shadowing Stories. I'm Ethan, and I'm very happy you are here today. Today, I will tell you an important story about trust, words, and wisdom. It is a simple story, but it has a powerful lesson. I will speak slowly. I will use easy words and short sentences so that you can understand clearly. You can listen, repeat, and speak with me. You can practice English step by step. This method is called shadowing. You listen, then you repeat after me. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Open your ears. Let's begin together. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a young man named Jake. Jake worked in a busy office. He was honest and hardworking. Every day he tried his best, but his job was not easy. His boss gave him many tasks. Some days Jake felt tired and stressed. One Friday evening, after a long week, Jake met his friend Tom at a coffee shop. They sat together and talked. Jake trusted Tom, so he spoke from his heart. He said, "I feel really exhausted. I think I need a little rest. Maybe next week I will ask my boss for fewer duties." He did not complain. He did not plan to quit. He only wanted a small break. Tom listened and nodded. But Tom loved to gossip. The next day, Tom met a coworker named Emily. He said, "Did you hear about Jake? He is very unhappy at work. He doesn't want to stay in the company anymore." Emily was surprised. Later, Emily told another colleague, "I heard Jake hates his job. He says the boss treats him badly." The story started to grow. That colleague told someone else, "Jake is planning to leave the company soon. He wants to find a new job and take clients with him." By the end of the week, the story was completely different from the truth. Finally, the rumor reached the manager. The manager became very angry. He believed the gossip. Without asking Jake, he called him into the office. He said, "Jake, I heard you are planning to leave and harm this company. We cannot trust you anymore. You are fired." Jake was shocked. He tried to explain. "Sir, I never said that. I only said I was tired and needed a little rest." But it was too late. The rumor had already destroyed everything. Jake lost his job because of words he never really said. All he did was share a simple feeling with the wrong person. So, be careful with your words. Do not share your private thoughts with everyone. Some people do not keep secrets. Some people change your words. Some people spread rumors. Silence is often safer than careless speech. Choose wisely who you trust. Thank you for listening to today's story. If you enjoyed practicing English with this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. See you in the next English shadowing story.